Let's eat. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Cooking Incognito. Today, I'm going to be making a peach upside down cake. So if you have a sweet tooth, then you might want to stick around for this video. First things first, we're going to go ahead and melt a half a stick of butter in our pan in the oven. All right, next up, we're going to get us a bowl and we're going to put in our peaches. Make sure you get heavy syrup when you are looking for your peaches. You can get sliced, you can get diced, however you like your peaches. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and cut my peaches in half. That way I can get more from this can. All right, now that our peaches are cut, we're going to go ahead and add in 1 cup of light brown sugar. We're going to go ahead and add in about a teaspoon, maybe a teaspoon and a half of cinnamon. All right, go ahead and blend up your ingredients. All right, so I already have made my butter golden Duncan Hines cake mix because we all know how to make a cake. So go ahead and just follow the instructions on the back of your cake box. You can use any type of brand of cake and you can use white if you would like. All right, our butter is now melted. Nothing like some good old butter. And now we're going to go ahead and pour in half of our peaches. All right, now we're going to go ahead and pour in half of our cake batter as well. Oops, I almost forgot to spray the sides of my pan so that my cake won't stick. All right, now we're going to add in the rest of our peaches. Peaches and brown sugar and cinnamon. And we're going to add in the rest of our cake batter on top. All right, and we're going to go ahead and just sprinkle on a dusting of cinnamon. You're going to bake on 325 or 350 for about 50 minutes, depending on your oven. Make sure that you let your cake cool for about 20 to 25 minutes. All right, our cake has been cooling for about 20 minutes. We're going to go ahead and flip this baby over. Oh my goodness, y'all. Look at this. This looks so beautiful. It's still a little steamy, so maybe I could have let it cool off 5 more extra minutes. Y'all, check out the peaches. They're perfectly on top, and the juices that's falling off the side. All right, we're gonna go ahead and cut a piece of this yummy looking peach cake or peach cobbler cake. And we're gonna, look at that, you guys. See, look at that, nice and moist. I can't wait to dig in. I'm going in for a bite. So delicious. You have got to make this.